Hi guys, this is JB. This is day 12 video recap in the simulator. Today was a green day. I made $158, but at the beginning of the market open, I made really no good trades. So let's review each by one by one. So the first trade I took was on Twitter. So at 9:41, I waited for the to make any play in the opening range breakdown. So as you can see, I waited over 10 minutes. So let's see what I did at the yeah. So my first place well my first plate was this short right here. Um, I'm sorry, it's not here. So yeah, Twitter. Okay. Yeah, right here. I was going to make a long here in the 5 minutes, so this was like an opening range break up. So it did pop up a little bit, but then I exit really quick because I didn't want the price just to go against me. So I exit here. Then I tried to make again a long. So yeah, so I was this candle like bouncing on the VWAP. So maybe this was a good time for for a pullback. So it's like an ABCD. So I thought I could get this in the C point for a break of this level, but the price went down and I exit there. And again, I went long here again, and then I thought my theory was going to play, but this price was already went down so much. So this was bad. This was a bad decision. I took a long here, and then I have to exit there, and I was like 100 something dollars down at that moment. So I said, okay, if it's not playing for me in the long side, I'm gonna short this stock. I'm gonna short Twitter at 942. 942. Yeah, right here I shorted. It was actually going for an opening range breakdown, in the 10-minute opening range breakdown. So I shorted here. It did went down. And then as soon as it came back to my short point, I exit for break even. And then I tried to short it again here. So I should have kept my position, put my stop loss above this week, and then I would have added here more. But then I exited my first short, but then I was confident that this was a short play, so I shorted again, and then I covered here, and then I made $50 back. Then at 950, I tried to went short again because I thought this level was going to break down. So I shorted here, but it went up, so I exit. And then at the same time, I looked at BRNS, in which I lost money on the short side. First in BRNS, let's see, at 952, yeah, I tried to long it here because in the 5 minute, this was showing, like, if you can see here, well, it was actually not a long play. I should have not longed here. I thought because this was making a higher low comparing to this last candle, but comparing to the last two previous, it was a lower low. So I don't know. I shouldn't take it a reversal play here. It was too early, so I took it, and then the price went down. I lost $100 because it looks like a small movement, but it was actually like half a dollar movement. So I lost $100 in a 200 share position. So then I took a short. I took a short here, 953, and then I cover some here, and then cover the rest here. So actually, it was like I only lost $30 there. But I mean, I saw a important level around this area, so I could have taken a reversal here. I mean, I could have played the reversal and I would have made decent money. But yeah, then I went back to Twitter at 9:50, 9:55, 9:55 right here at Twitter. I longed here. So I longed there. Wait. Yeah, I tried to long it here and then yeah, and again, I mean, this was too early in the morning for a reversal play. I mean, in the 5 minute there this level was like a good support here, so I thought maybe, but it wasn't a good play because my target would have been the VWAP and the risk to reward wasn't big enough. So I don't know. I took a I took a long there, and then I cover in the way down. I in the way down, and I lost $50. Then at 10:06, 10:06. Yeah, when I saw that this level was broken, I wanted to enter like at 31.41, but the price moved up really quick, so I entered at 31.37, and yeah, this was a good trade because I covered right at the bottom. I saw this was the previous day close or lower low. I think if we go back to the 1 day chart, we can see this level here. Yeah, this level was the last previous lowest point. So that was a good play. That was a good short. I mean, I just keep being shopped in during the first 10-15 minutes. I really don't know what direction to take. I'm just chasing the direction here as the stocks moves. So I am starting to see that I'm very good at when the price when the market is 30 minutes or 20 minutes after the open, I tend to take better trades. So I have to be more patient, or I really have to make a pre-market study a better pre-market study, so I can find out what is the most likely movement that the stock will take. But another really good trade I took, the best trade I took today in the way I managed it, was this reversal. I mean, I could have went long here when the price reached this support, because I knew that was a very important support for Twitter, because this stock has been going down really bad, and if it breaks yesterday low, maybe, I mean, this many people was waiting for this support to hold. So I could have long it here, but I covered my short, and then I went to to AMD. I think I didn't make any money there, so I'm not gonna talk about that one. But then I saw here in the 5 minutes, I mean, it made a new 5 minute high, so I saw this was an opportunity to go long. So I went long here, I added here, and then I added on this pullback. Yeah, so I added here at 31.35, then added here at 31.54, then added more here. I mean, I just kept adding because I was confident that this stock was going to just keep going up. And then I added more here in this pullback. But I mean, I was up 1,000 shares at that moment. 11:36. Okay, let me see something. Yeah, so okay, so I mean, my stop loss was going to be this level because I saw a really important support in this area from this price action and from this price action. I was really scared when the price went down to this point. I was like $100 down, but I was confident that this level was gonna hold. It did hold, and it just went up. The price just went up, and I made a mistake here at 11:36. I was going to sell the half of my long position, but I end up added 500 shares. So I actually sold half here. I sold like 700 shares here. And then in the 5 minutes, this price action wasn't looking so good. I mean, we had this gravestone doji, and then the price was trying to make a new 5 minute low. So yeah, so I exit the rest right here, and that was like 300 profit, but I was down in the long side. So in the total, I made $90 in the long side. But as you can see, it went down to the VWAP. I was in my mind. I said, okay, most likely this is gonna make another pullback and then just keep going up, which is what it's doing right now. But overall, it was an okay day just for the opening. I mean, I'm really trying to chase the stocks at the open. So like here, I tried to long at this point, then the price went down. Then I tried to long again, then it went down. So yeah, I might be better off waiting for more for more confirmation and avoiding this volatility at the first 10-15 minutes and see what happens. So yeah, this is my day for today. So see you tomorrow in the next trading day.